Hey guys, to get OpenAI API key, we need to go on openai.com first. Once you go on openai.com, you need to log in. You can log in using Google, Microsoft, or Apple login account. So I will continue using my Google account. So here I'm logged in. So we need API, so we'll click on API. Once we click on API, at the right hand side at top, you will find out profile, and in this profile you will find out view API keys. Once you click on view API keys, it will gives you API keys. So this is new account, so I don't have any API key. So to create API key, I need to click on create new secret key. Here we need to give the name of API key, AI key. You can give whatever name you want to give there. Then I will click on create secret key, and this is what the key has been created. You can click on this button to copy, okay, and all you need to click on done. So this key is created. So to create another key, you need to click on create new secret key button. If you have only one key, you cannot delete this key, okay. So if you create another key, then you can delete the previous key, okay.